Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe and share if you're just tuning in for the first time, and for returning subscribers, I really love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this simple trending gele. It's not difficult at all you have to do is to follow these simple steps I will be showing you all today. And if you have any question at all, please don't fail to ask me. Don't fail to thumbs me up and subscribe if this video helps you in any way. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 6 pleats before placing this gele on my head. You have to make sure that your pleats are well laid so that the gele comes out really nice and beautiful. The rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. So right now the 20 part of my gele is too short, so I'm just going to adjust it so that at the end of the day I will be able to knot the two hands of my gele at the back. I really love to tie gele for myself because I know that once you know how to tie gele for yourself, you can be able to tie on anybody at all. It's very easy. So right now I'm holding the 80 part of my gele. All I'm going to do is to make about 5 pleats before continuing with the rest of the gele, before I continue with the other part of my gele. Making my pleats. I made about 4 pleats and I'm done making my pleats right now. I'm just going to take the remaining part of my gele, place my hand the way you can see me do in the video, place it like this so that I would easily be able to knot my gele at the back. If you're going to tie this gele for someone, you just have to make sure that the gele is firm on the person's head so that everything does not unravel. So this is the 20 part of my gele I'm holding right now. I'm just going to knot it at the back with the 80 part of my gele. As you can see from this video, my gele is really big, so I'm just going to make sure that, because I can't really see the back of my head, so I'm just going to make sure that it's well done, it's properly done behind, and I'm going to knot it 2 times so that it looks really nice and the gele does not unravel. Of this gele is this point. The most interesting part is this point where you have to make sure that your pleats stand. It gives a curvy look. This is what I really like about this gele. You just have to make sure that you keep raising the pleats of your gele up. You just have to keep raising it up and pinning it down so that it doesn't unravel. It gives you a curvy and nice shape. I really like this gele so much because you can easily tie it for brides, for guests, for any weddings. It's a very simple, unconventional gele, and I tell you, this gele can be tied in just in less than 5 minutes this gele can be tied. It only took me more time because I'm tying it for myself, but if you get used to it, this gele is just the bomb. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to keep pinning it and making nice curves until I get what is on my thumbnail, and until I'm satisfied with what I have. There are strategic points where you have to pin for this gele to really come out beautiful and nice. So you just have to make sure that when you pin, it looks really nice. But if it doesn't, you can remove the pins and pin again. Just keep holding your gele at strategic points so that it comes out really nice and beautiful. And that is what you can see me do in this video. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie any type of unconventional gele. I have most of the unconventional gele or geles on my YouTube channel. So please do that, because it's really going to be helpful. If you want to know how to tie gele for yourself, you can please just check out my videos and check my page. It's easy to know how to tie gele here. And like I said, once you know how to tie gele for yourself, you can easily tie on any other person that it is you want to tie on. So I'm just going to keep adjusting my gele. I don't want my gele to form a leaf by the side of my neck. So I'm just going to take it towards the back a little and pin it so that it forms a round shape in front. So all I'm doing right now is just making sure that I adjust my gele properly so that it gives me a really nice shape and beautiful look. So basically, at the end of your gele, you just have to keep adjusting and adjusting once you're through so that it comes out really nice and beautiful. So here is what the back of your gele should look like. The 20 part of my gele that is left, I'm just going to fold it underneath a little bit and pin it. I love you guys so much, and I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't fail to thumbs me up and subscribe. I do hope that you enjoyed these videos, and I can't wait to see you all in my next videos. If you want more curvy looks, please, you can easily just use your pins and do that. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.